Have you ever found yourself gazing at the night sky, pondering what it's like to be an astronaut? Well, consider this a journey through the cosmos, where we'll explore the top 10 fascinating facts about astronauts. Number 10. The making of an astronaut. It's no easy feat to become an astronaut. Candidates must undergo a rigorous selection process, including extensive physical and psychological examinations. Only the best of the best make it, proving that astronauts are truly extraordinary individuals. At number 9 we have the spacesuit. Astronauts' spacesuits are much more than just clothing. These high-tech garments function as a personal mini spacecraft, providing life-supporting conditions for astronauts during spacewalks. Moving on to number 8, space cuisine. Food in space is not like food on Earth. Astronauts consume specially prepared meals that can be easily eaten in zero gravity. This might include anything from freeze-dried shrimp cocktail to thermostabilized beefsteak. Number 7 takes us to the overview effect. This term describes the cognitive shift in awareness astronauts experience when viewing Earth from space. It's a profound feeling of awe and interconnectedness that forever changes their perspective. At number 6 we find space adaptation syndrome. This is the term for the sickness many astronauts experience during their first few days in space. The body needs time to adjust to the weightless environment, leading to symptoms similar to motion sickness. Halfway through at number 5 we have spacewalks. These are not leisurely strolls. Spacewalks are challenging and dangerous tasks that astronauts undertake to repair, install, or test equipment outside their spacecraft. Number 4 introduces us to sleeping in space. Astronauts sleep in small quarters, strapped to a wall to prevent floating around. It might not sound like the most comfortable arrangement, but astronauts report getting good sleep up there. At number 3 we delve into the twin study. NASA conducted a study on identical twin astronauts, Scott and Mark Kelly. This groundbreaking research provided insights into the effects of long-duration spaceflight on the human body and mind. Number 2 reveals the speed of space travel. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station orbit Earth at a mind-boggling speed of over 17,500 miles per hour. That's fast enough to see a sunrise or sunset every 90 minutes. And finally at number 1 we have the longest time in space. Russian astronaut Valery Polyakov holds the record for the longest single stay in space, spending nearly 438 days aboard the Mir space station. So, there you have it. From the rigorous selection process to the awe-inspiring overview effect, from space cuisine to spacewalks, and from sleeping in space to the sheer speed of space travel, the life of an astronaut is truly fascinating. It's a journey that takes one beyond the ordinary, into a world that challenges the body, stimulates the mind, and expands the spirit. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, you'll have a deeper understanding of what it means to be an astronaut.